come back to this house, you understand? Now only one toilet, the toilet will suffer. So that from today, the hey Gen Z and you.
Yahoo boy.
200 naira to enter toilet.
Yahoo boy. Yahoo boy. How many times I call your name?
Oga Joe. 200. You hear me? Every time when you enter toilet is free.
This one a personal law.
Live for weekend. If you go chop all your juice and so on, if you come, you will pay 200 to enter toilet. And you,
Magawata.
and you,
No, you fight me.
If I see any boyfriend inside this compound, you will go.
I support you for that one. And then finally, you, if I see you when they talk, if I ever see you enter her room or I see her enter her room,
not in my neighbor,
you go.
No, leave her.
Not in
No,
my
you don't agree.
No.
Magawata, I beg. You don't do that. Wait, why not always lock gate by 6 o'clock?
Well,
Not to be children for this compound, eh?
that's a very good question.
And these are no get fence.
Okay.
And they go see the lock gates.
Okay, because of insecurity.
What do you want secure with where all your fence don't fall?
Because of insecurity. Okay, fence don't fall. You might enter inside house, you stay here. What did they do outside after sex?
You be smart with Magawata.
6 o'clock and not compound.
Makamanta.
Yeah.
Make
But I know the matter
Repeat it. Let me spell it for you.
Magawata.
Okay.
I was lucky.
Oga Joe, I beg. This is how I used to call my own.
Okay.
You just leave.
Now you give her a name. Now you go talk like
That's
this.
not my
You
tongue.
when they call me Shanky's baby Ruko, I don't kill her.
Where they use time, they spoil my neighbor.
After this.
Because I don't fight for that one. I don't fight for
I
my
think
neighbor.
you won't fight for her. This is your tongue where they get to. I want to finish for her. Come my room. I want to make it straight. So that you go fit call Magawata.
Okay,